Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients carefully. Use 1/2 cup, 40 grams, dry rolled oats per serving for about 150 kcal, which helps control portions. Choose water or unsweetened almond milk to keep calories near 150-200 kcal per bowl and avoid sugary milks. Add 1 tablespoon chia seeds for extra soluble fiber and longer fullness. They expand and slow digestion. Prepare a balanced breakfast by pairing oats with 12-15 grams protein from Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder for sustained satiety. Cook using a 1:2 ratio. 1/2 cup oats with 1 cup liquid yields a creamy texture. Use water or unsweetened almond milk and simmer 5-7 minutes for rolled oats. Stir in 1 scoop, 2025 g, protein powder, or 3 tablespoons Greek yogurt for protein and muscle preservation during weight loss. Add flavor with cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and limit sweeteners to 1 teaspoon, honey or half a banana to control added sugars and calories. Top with 1 tablespoon chopped nuts for texture and healthy fat. Consume oatmeal within 60 minutes of waking to stabilize morning hunger and reduce impulsive snacking later. Combine with 12-15 grams protein and a small healthy fat portion. Aim for 300-400 kcal meals overall. If weight loss stalls, reduce portion by 1/4 or increase daily steps by 2,000. Track servings in a food log and weigh weekly under consistent conditions to monitor progress toward a safe 0.51 kg per week loss. Rotate flavors and prep jars for 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.